Hi, good morning everybody. Tuesday morning, 1st of, what are we bloody on? September. Dear me, crikey, is it that time already? Right, just thought I'd show you the car before it goes in the sunshine, before it goes away to the shop blaster. So, hopefully it'll come back with not too many holes in it. I think I've done just about everything I can find without the blasting malarkey. Don't want too much more, to be honest. Done the wings, the bonnet, one door. I've run out of steel, so can't do any more at the moment. Right, there you go. Hopefully I'll show it you when it comes back in a few days. Cheers for now. Alright, hello everyone. What's this one? Update number 6. Quick coat of undercoat, because the car came back last night, Saturday night. I got back here about 6:45, I think we finished. So I didn't have time then, but I wanted to get a quick coat of undercoat on it this morning, because it's supposed to rain later on and I didn't want the damp in the air getting on it. So anyway, here she is. A little bit of a few holes, which I said I knew there was going to happen. The bed floor is better than I expected. I expected that to be riddled, but there's a few holes on there, but that's nothing major. So all the side wing, all these wings are good. The back panels, they're all good. A few little holes here where I knew there would be, because there was an undercoat here originally. So the passenger floor's got some nice holes in it, so I think I might as well just cut that out and put a whole new sheet in, because it's all the way along here. So I'll just wash whole new sheet for that, might as well. A couple of little holes here, which I don't think majorly problem, and the other side of the firewall where it's been patched before is got some holes in it. But overall, not much. Not as much as I was expecting, I must admit. So, like I say, I had to get a quick coat of undercoat on it this morning, because we're expecting rain this afternoon. It's lovely and sunny at the moment, but we're expecting rain. And I know I've got it under cover, but the damp in the air will get to it. So there's some more in the rear floor I've got to do here, over there. And I was going to replace this bar anyway, because I knew that was bad. And I cut that out originally to get the tank out. So, but and I haven't got round to doing that one. I was going to plan to do that before it went, but it went sooner. So anyway, so on with more work now. I picked up an engine, Rover 3.5, an early one. So that's got to be stripped, cleaned, and see what the insides are like. It turns over by hand, so I won't be using these carbs or anything. They'll be cut off like before, and I'll have a twin Weber on there, because they run so nice. So I'll clean these. SUs are pretty good. They're always favourable by people, so I'll give them a good clean up and whatever, make sure everything's working on them and put them up for sale. So there you go, one engine, and it's got the power steering pump with it, which is over there actually. So if I get a power steering rack, I did notice actually the one on the Transit looks a nice power steering rack, so that might be an option. But anyway, it's got it all with it, and like I say, it turns over by hand. I shan't be using that fan. I'll be using electric fans in the radiator, which I did before. But there you go. Hello, there's a bolt there. This is that bolt. But there you go. Right, so onwards and upwards, and all the manifold bolts came out, which was quite a surprise. Now I've got to find the gearbox. I've been told, and I can't remember where I read it somewhere, but I'm on the understanding that a very early, was it 92 to 97, BMW 5 Series automatic gearbox is a straight fit to these Rover engines. If anybody knows yay or nay, let me know. So I think this is a 10, is it 10.5? Can't quite see the lettering on it. I think this is a low compression engine. I think the last one I had was a 935, which is their class for high compression. But anyway, I'm sure it'll be enough to pull this little lump along. Believe it or not, this is probably lighter than my Jeep was, because the Jeep had a full steel chassis and the body was made out of thick I think it was about 1.2mm steel plate, most of it. Those doors were so heavy to take on and off, it was ridiculous. So I put it on the scales at once up at the quarry. I think it was nearly 1.5 ton, that little Jeep, and I don't think this is anywhere near that, so I think the little Rover engine will pull it nicely. I don't want to be doing any drag racing or burning tyres or shit like that, so but anyway, there you go, that's the next bit. So I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching again, and everyone stay safe. Cheers.